Like, seriously, Kyle, this is so annoying. If she's gonna be snoring like that, keeping me up, I'm just gonna watch The Lion King. Yeah, just watch The Lion King all night. That is ridiculous. Like, I can't take that damn snoring, man. That TV is a little too dark, man. I can't see nothing. Now that's a little bit better. Oh my god, I can hear that snore, bro. There's my faucet. Here's Guyon. Me and Guyon are staying up anyway. We're kind of staying up because somebody wants to snore all night and I don't like it. Man, I can't even tell what time it is, bro. Bro, what time is it? It's 2 o'clock in the freaking morning. 2:30 in the morning, man. And she's snoring, keeping me and Mufasa. Well, not Mufasa, but she's keeping me and Guyon up. I ain't gonna be able to sleep with that going on. I'm just gonna watch The Lion King all night. I hate when she does this, bro, cause she snore loud. Man, this lady snores loud. I hate when she does this, cause she wakes up me and Guyon. We can't